Hey guys, Austin here. Welcome back to the channel. So they are crashing Bitcoin. They're crashing crypto. That's a rumor, a movement that is out there, a discussion point. I see it in comments and videos. And I wanted to address this and I wanted to talk about what's going on in crypto and right now and the fear and the uncertainty and the doubt that's out there. Okay, so here's what's happening. Do I believe that there is a concentrated effort to crash Bitcoin and to crash crypto? No. What is happening is a tremendous amount of fear, uncertainty, and doubt around crypto right now from retail investors to institutional investors for a couple of key reasons. I'm going to lay out what those are. I'm also going to give you insight into when I think that this is going to end. So we're going to talk about that in this video as well. So number one, when do I think that this fear and uncertainty and doubt is going to be rectified? We're going to know by January 31st. That's next week. What's going to happen with crypto and what's going to maybe end this fear and uncertainty. Okay. That's when the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting is going to be announcing what they're going to do or not do about the interest rate hike or leaving it alone. The expectation is they're going to leave it alone, but there is fear that they're going to raise it. And that's what's creating uncertainty and risk and fear right now in the market. Okay, number one. Number two, we have Grayscale continue to sell hundreds of millions of dollars. In fact, in the last 24 to 36 hours, they've liquidated $900 million plus worth of Bitcoin. They moved it over to Coinbase to liquidate. Why are they doing this? Well, this is a scenario playing out where you have a mass exodus. A lot of people that owned GBTC, and they're leaving the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to move over to, say, ARK's or BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF. Why? Because the fees that GBTC charges, 1.5%, are really high compared to what people could buy BlackRock's ETF for like 0.22, I believe. Okay. So you have all these people leaving, and that's triggering Grayscale to sell off hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. But that is doing something. It is spooking the market. And that is the part, I think, where this narrative of, quote, they're trying to crash Bitcoin or the spot ETFs are not good for crypto and all that's happening. Okay, you've got people leaving GBTC, say that really fast, and moving over to the others, but you've got the liquidation of hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin by Grayscale. When people leave, they liquidate and they sell off that Bitcoin for the people that leave. Okay, so that's part of, are they crashing crypto narrative that is out there? No, that's not happening. Here, though, is really where we end up. I do believe if you look at some technical analysis, the reports that I'm looking at, if you hear and if you listen to what I'm about to tell you, is that we've got a lot of liquidity and capital sitting on the sidelines waiting for Bitcoin to hit about between 35 and 32,000. That's kind of the 32 being the really low end. That's when a lot of liquidity and capital is looking to come back into the market. So what we're going to see is some more downside risk in Bitcoin and Ethereum and the top blue chip altcoins to move down respectively another 5, 10, maybe 12, 13%, depending upon what particular asset we're talking about via this uncertainty and doubt period we have leading up to January 31st. So you've got multiple things at play here that are playing out. And that's what's going on. Okay, so do I think that there's some conspiracy to crash Bitcoin, to crash crypto? No. I mean, bottom line, all of the major big traditional finance houses would be able to like to buy their Bitcoin cheaper, right? At 30,000 or so, we all would. And if Bitcoin goes to 32 to 35,000, I'm absolutely buying more. I'm buying more of any asset as it continues to drop, okay? Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, you name it, XRP. I'm loading up on all the top stuff. That's my plan, okay? That's just mine. So they're crashing crypto. They're crashing Bitcoin. Not really at play here. This is major crypto news only in the context that I wanted you to be aware of what's going on and so that you understand the real risk here is that downside move because of the fear and uncertainty and doubt and the lack of liquidity in the market. But the liquidity's there waiting to come back in at the right time that I've already outlined for you in this video. So there you go. So actually don't stress, take a breath. That's where we're at. I think it's a major buying opportunity as we continue to roll along. Final thought, if you're interested, links in the description below. Go check out Margex. There's a link down there in the description below to them. They're one of the best trading platforms out there. They have leverage. They have the combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges in one trading platform. No KYC, no verification needed. Really, really great. And there's a 20% deposit bonus referral code down there. So if you deposit, you get 20% additional deposit bonus to use for fees and things like that. So check that out. Secondly, also down there is a link to my trading indicator, X1 Algo. Check that out. If you want to know the perfect time to buy and sell, get buy alerts on when to sell, when to buy and sell any and all cryptos. There's a video on the website, x1algo.com down there, that will show you everything you need. You can learn about it. There's a 30-day no questions asked guarantee, complete refund guarantee, and there's a discount code down there as well. It makes it even cheaper, about $1 a day. And $1 a day is less than you spend on a cup of coffee, as I've been known to say a few times. And is a cup of coffee the cost of worth getting better insight, knowing when to buy and sell all your cryptos and make more money? Links in the description below. See ya.